Hey, what's up everybody? Mike Salemi here, and today I'm gonna take you through a specific band training exercise. It's not your average band training exercise, but it's one that's gonna condition the upper body, the lower body, as well as some explosive rotation. One of the inspirations for this movement today was a lot of times when I wanna go train outside or train anywhere, sometimes I don't wanna take around my kettlebell, my Bulgarian bag, my mace bell, whatever. So today I'm gonna show you what you can do with just one band, something you could fit in your backpack, your fanny pack, even under the seat of your car. Let's get into it and let's go. This exercise, the Pummel to rotational lunge, is gonna involve a single. This I'm using here is the Suples H.I.R.T.S training band. This is the light band right here. So this I really love for mobility, body awareness, when I really just wanna work on technique more than anything else. And warming up, I love this band. It's basically secured to a dumbbell. You can see how the band's to a low anchor point, so it's going downwards, just right behind the camera, and I'm stepping far enough away to where I've got some tension on the band. It's not out here where I've got a lot of slack. That means no feedback. So you want to have some tension on it, and of course the further back you stand, the harder it's going to be. Slide your hand through, grab the color of the strap. From here your feet are about shoulder width. Now from this position, what you're going to do is you're going to pull your thumb to the center line of the chest. As you pull your thumb to the center line of the chest, now the elbow begins circling down, 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 up. And now from here, once I'm in the pummel position, I'm going to rotate my entire body 90 degrees from the center, lower down under control, and then return back up, square it up, and then reverse the movement. Done in a little bit more real time. You pull to the chest. I like already a little bit of pivot and rotation. Circle, circle, circle. Begin rotating now from that angle here, now 180 degrees, lower down, and then reverse. Now, with this free arm, one of the things you may have noticed is once I pummeled and I rotated, I extended this free arm. What that's going to do is it's going to allow a little bit more rotation from the trunk, and you can actually see I'm pulling my left arm back and I'm extending my right forward, and then you'll return back, and that adds also a little bit more into the fluidity of the movement. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Give it a shot, the Pummel to rotational lunge. Super fun as a standalone exercise, an exercise you can do in your warm-up. In terms of repetitions, that's really going to be up to you. But when we're talking about warming up and mobility, anything somewhere between 8 and 20 reps, each side can feel really good, especially if you're using the lighter band. And once again, the closer that you step, the easier it's going to be. The further back that you step, the more challenging it's going to be. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and share it. And please do check out my monthly workshops. Each month I do a 90-minute workshop on a different topic, whether it's Bulgarian bags, kettlebells. These band trainings is this month of July 2021. And all of those workshops are available at mikesalemi.io. Go ahead and click the link in the description below. It'll take you there right to the virtual workshops. Have an awesome day. See you guys next time.